Hey,
Hey guys.
what's going on? We're in
Petatlan.
Petatlan. Let's take a walk around. Check out this town. Population 18,000. Let's get to it. It's a warm day.
Very warm.
And we got our micheladas here from this guy right behind us. And we've walked around a little bit here in Petatlan. It's about 45 minutes from Zihuatanejo off of Highway 200. It's right off the highway. You can get here. We drove, but you can take, there's a bus.
The bigger buses you can get down in the Mercado.
Yeah, in the Mercado. I don't know what they cost. I think it's maybe 25 pesos. Or you can take a taxi, obviously. But yeah, it's not too expensive. So, but Petatlan is mostly known for what? Like
They're known for their oro, right?
for their gold and their silver.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but they also have silver here too.
Yeah. Gold and silver. And they also do sweets.
Yeah, I noticed there was a good place for some good dulces.
Yeah. Allie got some sort of chocolatey.
It's like, yeah, it was leche. It was like a milk caramel thing.
Milk caramel
It's
thing. All right,
really good.
it was good. They also sell a lot of like religious artifacts.
Yep.
The church here is right off of the Plaza Principal, I think is the name of this, and it's known for having a 17th century image of Jesus Christ, and that performs miracles, what people say. And it is Semana Santa, Easter week here. So as you can see, as we walk around, it's like 3 o'clock in the afternoon, but probably around 5 or 6, things will start heating up. I think every night there's concerts and events. It's called, it's like the Feria Expo Petatlan, and they call it the Fexpo. And it's all week, started on the 13th, runs through the 20th of April.
Yeah, they got like rides and there's little street food everywhere and little stands set up to sell stuff. But like I said, it is kind of closed down right now, but definitely gonna be picking up here tonight. And I asked someone, and she said, yeah, every night this week they'll have stuff going on.
Yeah, supposedly, I mean, they'll bring in maybe 20 or 30,000 people. So it's I'm sure it's a boon for this community, which is great. I went on Wikipedia and they had the population at 21,000 for 2005. And as you drive in, as I mentioned before, it's population 18,000. So they've lost 3,000 in population over the last 20 years. And so something like this is probably really good for the city. I'm trying to think what else. Oh yeah, as we walked in, there was a lot of goat tacos. So I don't know if that's something that they do too.
Mm-hmm. And it looks like they're always there. They're just like kind of built in they're set up. This what, Chivo?
Yeah, Chivo.
Yeah.
Tacos de Chivo.
So. But it just makes me too sad. I like goats, but Matt's thinking about it.
Yeah, I may give it a shot. Would somebody visit here? I mean, for sure, maybe during Semana Santa.
We came for Christmas once.
Yeah.
And they had like a tree up. It was cool. It was pretty.
Yeah. Yeah.
The church was all
the church decorated. So I would think if I was visiting Zihuatanejo and you're in town for more than a couple weeks, maybe combine Petatlan. If you're very religious, it may be worth it. If you're into gold and silver, it could be worth it, or maybe even sweets. Or if you want to combine it with the Xihuacan archaeological site, that's really close to here. So that you can kind of make a day out of it and do both of those things.
Yeah, that's what we did with your parents.
Yeah, that's what we did maybe 6 years ago. So, I think that's about it. What else? I think we've seen pretty much everything, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Some tacos.
Let's get some goat tacos. Got our goat tacos. What'd you think?
And more leche.
And more leche chocolate or whatever sweets for Allie.
The goat tacos were the best.
Yeah, they're really good.
The beef.
Yeah, we got the beef and the goat tacos, and they're good. 60 pesos for 3 tacos. Not bad. The micheladas were 90 pesos each. Allie just bought more sweets. That was 15 pesos each, and I got a bag of sweets here, and I'm going to share it with my pickleball buddies later on. So, all right, we're heading back to Zihuatanejo. Thanks for watching, everybody.
Hasta luego.
Hasta luego.